On this video today, I'm going to show you a copy and paste strategy that you can use to make up to $200 as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience, and without investing any money. The best part is that this method is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money as a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. If you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you're going to come on this website, writer.me. This website is an AI writing assistant that you can use to write anything that you want. You can use it to write articles, you can use it to write Instagram posts, you can use it to write literally anything that you want. When you come right here, you can see it is trusted by big companies like Adidas, Dell, you can see Pioneer, IKEA, and many others. So this is a trustworthy website that you can use to write any content that you want. As you can see right here, you can use it to generate blog idea and outline, business idea page, copywriting framework, that is either attention, interest, desire, and action. That is a copyright framework. You can see right here, you can use it to generate emails, you can use it to generate Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn ads, you can see landing page and web copies. As you can see, a lot of different things that you can use it to generate. If you click right here, there are many others that you can use it to generate. The best part is that you can use this tool for free. You can see right here, they have a free plan. So if you want, you can join and then use the free plan to write whatever that you want. If you write and then use it to make money, you can then upgrade to the premium plan. You can see it is not expensive, $9 per month. So you have to use the free version. Once you get the money, you can then upgrade to the premium version. So now what you have to do is that you have to sign up so that you can begin using this particular tool. To sign up, you are going to click right here, start writing. Once you click on it, you can enter your details and then create your free account. As you can see, this is my account, and you can see that I've been using it to generate a lot of things. You can see everything right here. So this particular tool is one of the best that you can use to make money from home. To use the tool, what you have to do is that you have to select the language. So if you want to write in any language, you have to select that right here. You can see there are a lot of languages that you can select. As you can see, many of them. Once that is done, you are also going to select the tone. So when you click on it, you can select appreciative, assertive, and many others. So whatever tone that you want, you can just scroll down and then select that. Once you select the tone, the next step is that you are going to select whatever that you want to generate. If you want to generate blog idea and outline, you are going to select it right here. If you want to use it to generate blog section, you are going to select this one right here. You can see a whole lot of different things that you can use this particular tool to do. You can see many others. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use it to generate emails. We want to generate emails so that we can sell those emails and then make money. So just select email. Once you select the email, you are going to enter the key points. They are the words that you want to include in your email message so that you can get the attention of your potential readers. So now you have to enter some keywords right here. But before I show you how to generate the emails, I'm going to show you a marketplace where you can sell the emails to make money. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, fiverr.com. This website is a marketplace where you can sell your freelance services. Whatever that you can do, you can sell it on this particular website and you are going to be making money. So let me just search for write email so that you can see how people are using this particular website to make money. So let's type something like write email. So something like this. Let me search for you to see. Once you search for write email, you can see there are a lot of different people who are selling this same service and they are making a lot of money from home. You can see this one right here. The fellow is charging $15 as starting price. You can see this person is charging $40 as starting price. This person is charging $120 as starting price. As I scroll, you can see many others who are using this service to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. One of the excuses that people make is that Fiverr is so saturated. So when you list your gig, you are not going to get people to hire you. That is not true. You have to take action now so that you can get the results for yourself. You don't have to make those excuses. If you make those excuses, you are not going to be making money from home. So make sure you take action so that you can get the results for yourself. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to open this particular gig so that I will show you how people are making money every day on this website. So let me just click on it for you to see. As you can see, this is the gig. You can see the fellow has 4.9 star rate. And you can see right here, the fellow got 1052 reviews. Right now, the fellow has 2 orders in queue. So it means he has 2 orders that he has to perform to make money from home. How you come right here, you can see in the basic package, the fellow is charging $140. The standard package, the fellow is charging $175. The premium package, the fellow is charging $205. So if we multiply the number of orders right now by the amount the fellow is charging in the basic package, you can see that the fellow is going to be making money in a single day. Let me just calculate it for you. So if all the 2 orders are in the basic package, let's multiply 2 by 140. So the fellow is going to be making $280 per day if all the orders are in the basic package. Let's multiply by the standard package. You can see the standard package is $175. So let's multiply 175 by 2. So you can see the fellow is going to be making $350 per day if all the orders are in the standard package. Let's go to the premium package. You can see $205. So let's multiply 2 by 205. You can see right here the fellow is going to be making $410 per day if all the orders are in the premium package. So this is one of the easiest way that you can use to make money, because you are not going to write the emails yourself. You are going to use an AI to write the emails for you, and you are going to edit the emails and send to your potential client. There are many others who are using this platform to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, become a seller, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts, you are going to list your gig here so that you can get people to hire you to perform the tasks, and you are going to be making money. So as a beginner, if you want to get a lot of people to hire you, what you have to do is that you have to reduce your price. You don't have to charge like these people. You have to reduce your price so that you can get people to hire. Once they hire you and give you proper rating, that gives you the social proof that you can do the work. So once you get the social proof, you can then increase the price so that you can be making a lot of money. So what you have to do is that you have to start with a lower amount so that you can get a lot of people to hire you. So now once you are hired and you want to write the emails, I'm going to show you how you can use writer.me to write quality emails so that you can get your clients to give you higher ratings. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write an email about Apple Watch so that you see. So assuming your client asks you to write an email about Apple Watch, what you have to do is that you have to enter the keywords. So we are going to use the title as our keyword. So just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste your keywords right here. So the key points, they are simply the features that you want the reader to know about the product. So these are some of the things that we want people to know about Apple Watch. This is just an example. Your potential client will give you more features than this. So now once you have the features, what you have to do is that you have to select the variation. So just click on it and then select any variation that you want. Once that is done, you are going to click right here and then select the creativity level. So in this case, I'm going to leave it with medium. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, write for me. Once you click on write for me, you can see it has generated the emails. You can see the first one, this is the subject. You can see it right here, and you can see this is the body of the email. When you scroll down, you can see there's another email right here. This is the subject, and you can see this is the body of the email. So you can see it has generated the emails. So now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy your emails and then send to the client so that you can get paid. Apart from this website, you can also use ChatGPT to generate the emails. So just search for openai.com. Once you search for that, you are going to click right here, try on ChatGPT. So click on that. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see ChatGPT. So now what you have to do is that you have to instruct it so that it can write emails for you. Sometimes your client might want more than 2 emails. So you have to write an email sequence. You have to write many of them and then give to the client. So for example, let's say we want ChatGPT to write many emails for us. So you are going to paste your keywords right here. Once you paste your keywords, you are going to type something like write an email sequence for Apple Watch using the keywords above, something like this. Once that is done, just click on go so that it will write everything for you. As you can see, it is writing the emails. You can see everything. This is the first email. It is going to write a lot of them. As you can see, it is writing. So we are going to wait for it to write the emails. As you can see, it has written only one email. You can see it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to instruct it to continue. So type something like continue. Once you type continue, just click right here, go, so that it will write many emails for you. You can see it is writing the second email. You can see this is the third email. You can see this is the third email. It is going to write as many as you want. As you keep on instructing it, it is going to keep on writing the emails for you. It is going to be generating the emails for you for free. As you can see, it has finished writing the email. So what you have to do is that you have to keep on instructing it so that it will keep on writing the emails for you. Once it has written the emails, the next step is that you are going to highlight and copy everything and then send to your client so that you can be making money from home. It's just simple as that. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money using this particular strategy. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.